Hi there, my name is Megan Turek. I'm a costume designer and tailor working in the New York theater, film, and TV industry. I was so honored when the cancer support community invited me to speak at their Kentucky Derby after party and benefit. CSC is an organization whose services clearly mean so much to those diagnosed with cancer and their loved ones, and it is my pleasure to join all of you this evening in support of this amazing community. I know you're all decked out at home tonight and looking great, but missing time with friends. And I know we are all hopeful we will be back together in person soon. So as you sip on your mint juleps, let's plan for the 2021 Derby, when hopefully we will all be together again. I thought I might approach talking about Derby fashion by sharing with you how I might put together a Derby look. What makes the idea of designing a show or a scene set at the Derby so exciting is that the attendees always dress to the nine, but there's also this unmistakable element of fun. After all, the Derby is a place to see and be seen, and the name of the game is finding a way to make striking and even outlandish headwear work flawlessly with your look. So, how would I design scenes set at the Kentucky Derby? I would think color, pattern, and hats. Now, I know the Kentucky Derby is taking place this year in September, at the end of the summer, but historically it's held on the first Saturday in May. So I would use soft but bright colors that embody the excitement of spring. Maybe something like this kind of retro floral number, or even something as bright and eye-catching as this guy here. So then I would want to incorporate some fun in the form of playful patterns like stripes, checks, or even polka dots. Gentlemen, this is the perfect time to break out that seersucker suit and bow tie. And of course, the key to any Derby look is the hat. Continue to think spring with flowers or feathers, even birds. And of course, I would take a look at current Derby styles, including fantastic outfits worn by the attendees of CSC's annual Derby event. In shopping for a hat for your look, you might find that many of them are wildly expensive, but you can wear a hat that is completely unique if you make your own. So let me show you how. To celebrate with all of you, I created a hat of my own. I decorated it using paper flowers that I bought for $1 a stem. I could attach this to a hat using a hot glue gun or some floral wire. And then you just get down to the variety store and buy a straw beach hat, attach the flowers, and just like that, you've got a Derby hat that looks really great for 20 bucks. It's been so lovely to be here with all of you today. Thank you so much for making me a part of your incredible community at this truly special event.